I'm going to show you how to calculate correlations in Excel in 3 easy steps. I'll show you the method I've taught to over 5,000 students without putting them to sleep. And stick around till the end because I'll show you a shortcut to write your formulas 10 times faster. Ready to learn how to calculate correlations in Excel? Let's dive in. Today, we'll use correlation analysis to figure out the impact of training hours on a sales team concerning 3 variables: the team's total sales, employee turnover rate, and total absences from work. Do more training hours improve sales, or do they actually decrease them? Let's find out. Quick reminder, the result of calculating correlation is a number between -1 and 1. If it's close to 1, there's a positive relationship, meaning as one variable increases, the other tends to increase too. If it's close to -1, it indicates a negative relationship, where one variable's increase leads to the other's decrease. And if it's around 0, there might be no relationship at all. To calculate the correlation coefficient, the first step is to open your CORREL function. Just type the equal sign and CORREL to get started. The second step is to select the ranges you want to analyze. For our first case, we're looking at the correlation between training hours and sales, so those are the 2 ranges to select, separated by a comma. The third step is to close your formula. Add a simple parenthesis, press enter, and you've got your result. And as you can see, these 2 variables have a correlation very close to 1, meaning we can safely conclude that the correlation is positive and strong. In other words, we can predict that more training hours will likely increase each salesperson's sales. Now, just repeat this process for the other variables. Remember how I mentioned I'd teach you a shortcut to write your formulas 10 times faster? We're getting there, but first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because every week I'm giving away a complete Excel course worth $297 to 10 of my subscribers. Now, on to the shortcut. I'll show you how to use range names. If you've never heard of them, it's simply a way to assign a name to a group of cells so you can easily call it up in your formulas. Here's how it works. Select the range and in the name box above, type the name you want to use. Let's name this range training _hours. And while you're at it, go ahead and define the ranges for sales, employee _turnover, and absences. One key thing, make sure to hit enter in the name box to save it, or Excel won't remember the name. With range names set, you can calculate the other correlations much more easily. Instead of rewriting your formula, you can just copy and paste it. And to switch the ranges, just type their names since you've assigned them. So, this formula will calculate the correlation between training hours and employee turnover, and this other one between training hours and absences from work. And with that, we see that training hours have a strong negative correlation with staff turnover, meaning the more training hours, the less likely someone is to leave the team. And finally, training hours have no correlation with work absences, meaning training doesn't affect whether salespeople show up to work or not. And there you have it, your results. Oh yeah, and one more thing, did you know every time you name a range in Excel, a penguin finds its soulmate? Name wisely and let's spread some penguin love.